We detected an unusual trade worth $8.6 million on C3.ai stock, ticker symbol AI. But here's what makes it even more interesting. This AI stock just popped over 20% after reporting earnings. And so in this video, we will analyze this unusual option activity to figure out what this wealthy investor is doing. Are they bullish and buying C3.ai, expecting this stock to keep moving up? Or are they bearish and selling, expecting this AI stock to drop back down? Because as we all know, the rich have more access to exclusive research and information, sometimes even leaked insider information, to make smarter, better financial decisions. This is how smart money always stays one step ahead, well before the rest of the market catches on. No wonder the rich get richer. And so, to level the playing field, let's dive into our analysis to gain insights from the rich so that our subscribers and members can profit from this deep knowledge too. As we can see here on the options time and sales tape, the most unusual trades happened on May 29th at 1:32 p.m. at the 43-second mark for these June 20 options at the 28 strike calls and the 22.5 strike calls. 38,605 contracts were being traded. Now, if you are in our membership, these 22.5 strike calls would look very familiar. That's because we've been tracking them since April 29th, exactly a month ago, when we first detected these same options being traded. And we emailed our members about this unusual trade. As you can see here, this was the email we sent to members alerting them of unusual option activity detected on April 29th. And so we analyzed AI stock and went long bullish when the stock was trading at $22.52 per share. And now it's currently trading at $27.80 per share, a move higher that someone clearly anticipated because a wealthy investor bought these June 20 options at the 22.5 strike calls, the same options being traded now. They purchased a total of 40,055 contracts at a price of $249 each. Since options prices are shown here, we multiply by 100 or simply move the decimal 2 places to the right to get the total cost per contract. And take a look at how much these options are worth now, $650 each. Clearly a profitable trade. So how much profit is that? To calculate it, we start with the current price of $650, subtract the initial cost of $249, which gives us $401 of profit per contract. And so, how much profit is this in percentage terms? We simply divide this profit by the original cost of $249 and multiply by 100 to express it as a percentage, and that gives us a return of 161% profit on this trade. In other words, we made more than our original investment on this trade. And so this is yet another real-time example of how we keep winning using data-driven analysis and trading strategies that track the trades of wealthy investors. Because understanding where smart money flows gives us deep insights into potential stock moves in the market. And so, if you want to get access to more of these insights from the rich, then just head over to our website. We'll put a link up here where you can see exactly which stocks wealthy investors are trading on Wall Street and when they're doing it, so that you can have the same opportunities as the rich. Because if the rich get richer, why shouldn't you? Now, if you had only traded the stock instead of options, you still would have made a solid return. As we can see here on the chart, ever since that unusual option activity on April 29th, the stock has jumped 35% in just 1 month, but not nearly as much compared to the gains made from those options being traded by this wealthy investor. And so the big question is, what is this wealthy investor doing now with their options trade position? Well, let's find out by tracking this same investor and showing you how we updated our trade into a risk-free strategy with no possible loss. Now, based on our analysis, of the new data on the unusual option activity, this wealthy investor closed their previous position in these 22.5 strike call options to lock in profits and then roll the gains into a new trade to a higher strike price. So these June 20 options at the 28 strike calls are the new open trades. Now let's calculate the total cost of this new trade by multiplying the quantity of contracts by the price per contract. The option price is 223, and since option prices are quoted per share, we move the decimal 2 places to the right, meaning each contract costs $223. Next, we multiply this by the total number of contracts, 38,605 contracts, and we get a total value of approximately $8.6 million for this new trade. But keep in mind, just because a trade is large does not necessarily mean it has a high probability of success. In fact, this one carries more risk than the smaller, more selective trades we share on our website. Now, with that said, even though this trade carries higher risk, we still took it because we managed the risk by rolling our previous position just like how this wealthy investor did. And take a look at the updated data here. For the June 20 options at the 22.5 strike calls, there are only 10,000 open contracts in open interest, much lower than the 38,000 contracts that were traded. This further supports our analysis that this wealthy investor moved their position over here to the 28 strike calls where the open interest has now increased significantly. And that is why we rolled our previous position from the 22.5 strike calls into this new position right here. POS stands for our current position, and the green color indicates a buy position at the 28 strike call options. And so by closing these 22.5 strike calls by selling them, we locked in profits because we used those gains to buy these 28 strike calls, which cost less than the amount we sold the previous position for. That means we entered this new trade at a credit, not a debit, making it a risk-free setup using only profits from our earlier trade. And so when we analyze our trade now, you can see here on the risk profile graph, the buy position cancels out the sell position because they are the same June 20 options at the 22.5 strike calls. So we are just left with the 28 strike calls that expire June 20. And so on the graph, the profit or loss shows up here, and the x-axis represents the share price of the stock, which is currently trading around here. You can see that if C3.ai stock goes down, our trade would not have any negative loss because we've locked in more profits than the cost of our new trade. And that is how we manage risk by minimizing losses. In this case, we eliminated any possible loss while still giving us the chance to gain more profits if the stock moves higher. But keep in mind, this was only possible because we followed this wealthy investor early, back on this day, April 29th, before the stock made its big move. So, if you want to get early access to our analysis and alerts just like this, head over to our website. We'll put a link here. Let us know in the comments. Do you think this AI stock will move higher or drop back down? As always, please like, subscribe, and until next time, let's keep tracking the trades of the rich so everyday investors can profit too. Take care and have a wonderful day.